Did you know that a woodpecker can peck 20 times per second? That's faster than the blink of an eye. In this exploration, we delve into the intriguing world of woodpeckers, a family of birds known for their unique drumming behavior and vital ecological role. From their astonishing physical adaptations to their complex behaviors and their status in the face of modern environmental challenges, there's a lot to uncover about these feathered carpenters of the wild. Stay tuned to unravel the fascinating story of woodpeckers. Woodpeckers first appeared on Earth around 25 million years ago. Like a time capsule, the fossil records give us a glimpse into the ancient times when these fascinating birds began to carve their place in the world. Emerging during the Oligocene era, woodpeckers evolved from Pisidae ancestors, a group of birds that also includes flickers and sapsuckers. Over the course of millions of years, woodpeckers have developed unique features and behaviors that have allowed them to thrive in a variety of habitats. From the dense rainforests of South America to the vast savannas of Africa, and from the urban parks of North America to the Himalayan forests in Asia, woodpeckers have spread far and wide, demonstrating their remarkable adaptability. This journey hasn't been without its challenges. Over time, woodpeckers have had to contend with shifting landscapes, changing climates, and the appearance of new predators. Yet, they have managed to not just survive but flourish thanks to their specialized anatomy and unique behaviors. Their strong bills, capable of drilling into hard wood, their shock-absorbing skulls, designed to withstand the impact of constant pecking, their long, barbed tongues, perfect for extracting insects from tree bark, and their zygodactyl feet, which allow them to grip tree trunks tightly while pecking. All these adaptations have been honed over millions of years of evolution, enabling woodpeckers to exploit a niche that few other birds can. The evolution of woodpeckers is not just a story of survival and adaptation, but also one of diversification. Today, there are over 200 species of woodpeckers in the world, each with its own unique characteristics, habitat preferences, and behaviors. This dazzling diversity is a testament to the success of their evolutionary journey. From the prehistoric times to the present day, woodpeckers have been an integral part of our ecosystem. As we delve deeper into the world of woodpeckers, we will uncover the fascinating ways in which these birds have shaped our natural world and continue to do so today. So stay tuned as we explore the intriguing world of woodpeckers in the upcoming scenes. To survive in the wild, woodpeckers have evolved unique physical features and behaviors. These fascinating birds are nature's carpenters, pounding away at tree trunks with their strong chisel-like beaks. But what sets them apart from other birds? Well, to begin with, woodpeckers have a remarkable skull structure. Their skulls are reinforced with a spongy bone that acts as a shock absorber, protecting their brains from the constant impact of pecking. Imagine this, it's like wearing a helmet that absorbs the shock every time you hit your head against a wall. Quite impressive, isn't it? Next is the woodpecker's beak. The upper part of the beak is longer than the lower part, creating a small gap that acts as a gouge, helping them to remove bits of wood and reach their insect prey. Their beak is also strong and sharp, perfect for penetrating tree bark and wood. But the beak alone isn't enough. Woodpeckers also have long, barbed tongues that can extend 3 times the length of their beak. This incredibly long tongue helps them extract insects and larvae from deep within a tree trunk. Some species even have a glue-like substance on their tongues to help grab slippery prey. Not only that, but woodpeckers also have specially adapted feet. Their zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, provide a strong grip and excellent balance as they hammer away at tree trunks. Their stiff tail feathers act as a prop, supporting them in their vertical endeavors. The woodpecker's adaptations aren't just physical, they are behavioral too. Their iconic drumming isn't merely a method of foraging, but also a form of communication. They use it to mark their territory, attract mates, and even to signal alarm. So you see, woodpeckers are more than just birds with a knack for pounding on wood. Their anatomical features and behaviors are a testament to nature's ingenuity, enabling them to thrive in their unique niche. With their unique adaptations, woodpeckers truly are nature's woodworkers. Woodpeckers play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our forests. These remarkable birds are much more than just the drumming sounds we hear in our woodlands. They are vital contributors to the ecological balance of numerous habitats. Firstly, let's talk about their diet. Woodpeckers primarily dine on a smorgasbord of insects, many of which are considered pests. By chiseling into tree bark with their strong bills, they expose and consume hidden insects, including beetles, ants, and larvae. This dietary habit makes them natural pest controllers, helping to limit insect populations that can otherwise damage trees and forests if left unchecked. But their ecological role extends beyond just pest control. As woodpeckers forage for food, they also create cavities in trees. These cavities, which can be as small as a fist or as large as a football, become future homes for many other species. They provide shelter for a range of creatures, from small mammals like squirrels and bats, to other birds and even insects. In this way, woodpeckers play a vital role as habitat providers, fostering biodiversity in their ecosystems. Furthermore, woodpeckers also contribute to the process known as nutrient cycling. As they drill into trees and excavate rotting wood, they help speed up decomposition, allowing nutrients to return to the soil more quickly. This not only benefits the trees but the entire forest ecosystem, promoting growth and supporting a healthier environment. Additionally, woodpeckers are crucial for dispersing fungi spores. Certain fungi are essential for the health of trees, and woodpeckers play a role in spreading these fungi. As they move from tree to tree, they inadvertently carry spores on their beaks and feathers, promoting the growth of beneficial fungi across the forest. Woodpeckers' interactions with other wildlife species are also noteworthy. Their drumming sounds serve as signals to other birds, indicating the presence of a food source or potential nesting site. This communication helps shape the behavior and distribution of other species in the forest. As ecosystem engineers, woodpeckers help shape the world around us. Their actions influence the health of our forests, the diversity of life within them, and the intricate web of connections that bind them all together. Despite their importance, woodpeckers face numerous threats that jeopardize their survival. From urbanization to pesticide use, these birds face a variety of challenges that pose a risk to their existence. One of the biggest threats to woodpeckers is habitat loss. As we continue to expand our cities and towns, forests are often cleared to make way for development. This leads to a decrease in the number of trees available for woodpeckers to nest and feed, effectively diminishing their habitats. Moreover, logging and deforestation for agriculture further contribute to the destruction of woodpecker habitats, leaving these birds with fewer places to call home. Another major threat to woodpeckers is pesticide use. Insects form a significant part of a woodpecker's diet, and when these insects are poisoned by pesticides, woodpeckers can ingest these toxins when they feed. This can lead to a range of health problems for these birds, including reduced fertility and even death. Competition for nesting cavities also poses a challenge to woodpeckers. Other bird species, and even some mammals, also use tree cavities for nesting, and this can lead to competition, especially in areas where suitable nesting sites are limited. But it's not all doom and gloom for our hammer-headed friends. Many conservation efforts are in place to protect and preserve woodpecker populations. These include protecting and managing their habitats, reducing the use of harmful pesticides, and installing nest boxes to provide additional nesting sites. Education also plays a crucial part in woodpecker conservation. By raising awareness about the importance of these birds and the threats they face, we can encourage more people to take action to protect them. After all, every one of us has a role to play in conservation, whether that's planting trees, reducing pesticide use, or simply spreading the word about these fascinating creatures. Through conservation efforts, we can ensure that the rhythmic drumming of woodpeckers continues to echo in our forests. Because a world without the distinctive sound of a woodpecker drumming away in the distance would indeed be a quieter, less vibrant world. From their unique adaptations to their role in the ecosystem, woodpeckers are truly fascinating creatures. Throughout our journey today, we've delved into the intriguing world of these remarkable birds, shedding light on their origins, evolution, and the myriad species that exist across the globe. We've marveled at the intricate anatomy and adaptations that make woodpeckers such proficient excavators. Their strong bills, shock-absorbing skulls, and barbed tongues are testament to nature's ingenuity, enabling them to carve out their niche in the world. We've explored their ecological role, understanding how their diet and foraging behaviors contribute to controlling insect populations and shaping forest ecosystems. Their nesting habits, too, play a significant part in maintaining biodiversity, as the cavities they create provide homes for a multitude of other wildlife species. We've also addressed the threats that these birds face, from habitat loss and deforestation to pesticide use and competition for nesting cavities. Despite these challenges, the resilience and adaptability of woodpeckers is inspiring, as is the dedication of those involved in conservation efforts worldwide. As we conclude our journey into the world of woodpeckers, let's remember to appreciate these wonderful birds and do our part in ensuring their survival. Whether it's through supporting conservation initiatives, reducing pesticide use, or simply taking a moment to marvel at a woodpecker's drumming, every action can make a difference in preserving these incredible creatures for generations to come.